The Fraser River carries more than water. It carries the health of an entire region. Today, a small Metro Vancouver monitoring team is out on the river heading toward a critical area where the treated water from Annacis Island wastewater treatment plant returns to the river.
We're sampling for bacteria. We're also sampling for total metals, total and dissolved nutrients, chlorophyll A, pH, turbidity, salinity.
What they find here will show how well the treatment system's working and how it's impacting the vital water of the Fraser River. Once a year, a monitoring team spends 5 weeks taking samples on the Fraser River. This yearly testing is in addition to the daily testing taking place at the 3 Fraser River wastewater treatment plants.
We work nights, we work mornings, we work winter conditions or windy conditions.
These samples are tested for bacteria, metals, nutrients, and other indicators that reveal what's happening in the water. Because knowing the river's condition isn't optional, it's essential. Metro Vancouver has been tracking this data for more than 20 years. Today's measurements matter, but the real power comes from comparing results over time. This deep data reveals trends and patterns that will shape decisions, protecting the river for the future.
It's important to produce long-term trends so that we know how concentrations of parameters in the effluent are changing, and it's done to comply with provincial regulations.
The depth sounder shows that the boat is now directly over the Annacis Island wastewater plant's discharge pipe.
So we're picking up on a few ports there.
At this location, the timing for this sample is critical. As the boat crew prepares to take their sample, environmental scientist Michael Hall gets a call from them. That's his cue to fill containers with treated wastewater about to go down the discharge pipe to the Fraser, so they can compare what's leaving the plant with what's happening in the water.
So we'll go down mid-plume to about 3 meters. Good to go.
Anna and Manon drop a monitoring probe and a collection canister down into the Fraser's chilly water.
Good to come back up.
After they haul up the canister, the river water is transferred into containers. Each step is careful and controlled because even small errors can affect the results. The samples will go to 4 different labs for a range of analysis.
We test the effluent before it leaves the plant because we need to know the concentrations of everything in the effluent after it leaves the plant and after it's mixed and diluted in the river.
Each year, the results are shared with provincial and federal partners, all part of a coordinated effort to safeguard the Fraser River. Because Metro Vancouver's role in meeting regulatory standards is an important part of protecting a resource that supports all of us.